Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tundra key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick, getting your key fob working perfectly again. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small notch where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this notch. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take note of its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Toyota Tundra to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.